Are you looking to get more out of your Weiser Powerbolt 3 electronic lock? Maybe you just installed a new one, or you need to update some access codes. You're in the right place. In this video, we're diving deep into the Weiser Powerbolt 3 programming instructions, making it super easy to set up, change codes, and troubleshoot your smart lock. Let's unlock the convenience. First things first, let's get you set up for success. Every Weiser Powerbolt 3 comes with a unique 6-digit programming code located on the interior assembly of your lock. You'll need this master code for all programming functions. Locate your programming code. This code is crucial. It's usually on a white sticker on the interior side of your lock's battery cover or the assembly itself. Keep it safe. Default user code. Your lock likely came with a default 4-digit user code. We'll show you how to change this. Section 1. How to add a new user code. Adding new user codes for family, friends, or services is one of the most common tasks. Your Powerbolt 3 can store up to 16 different user codes. Here's how to do it. Enter your 6-digit programming code. Press the lock button. The keypad will light up and you'll hear a single beep. Press 1 on the keypad. This tells the lock you want to add a user code. Press the lock button. Enter your desired new 4 to 8-digit user code. Press the lock button. Re-enter the same new user code. Press the lock button. You should hear 2 short beeps indicating the code has been successfully added. Test it out immediately. Section 2. How to change an existing user code. Need to update an old code? No problem, it's just as easy. Enter your 6-digit programming code. Press the lock button. Press 2 on the keypad. This tells the lock you want to change a user code. Press the lock button. Enter the old 4 to 8-digit user code you wish to change. Press the lock button. Enter the new 4 to 8-digit user code. Press the lock button. Re-enter the new user code. Press the lock button. 2 beeps mean success. Remember to notify anyone who uses that code about the change. Section 3. How to delete a user code. If someone no longer needs access, deleting their code is essential for security. Enter your 6-digit programming code. Press the lock button. Press 3 on the keypad. To delete a user code, press the lock button. Enter the 4 to 8-digit user code you wish to delete. Press the lock button. A single beep confirms the code is deleted. That person no longer has access. Section 4. Weiser Powerbolt 3. Factory reset. Sometimes you might need a complete fresh start, like if you've moved or just want to wipe all codes. A factory reset will delete all user codes and restore default settings. Open the door and remove the battery pack from the interior assembly of the lock. Locate the small reset button on the interior assembly. It's usually near the bottom. While pressing and holding the reset button, reinsert the battery pack. Continue to hold the reset button for 30 seconds until you hear a long beep. Release the reset button. Your Weiser Powerbolt 3 is now reset to factory defaults. You'll need to use the original 6-digit programming code and default 4-digit user code to set it up again. Special tips, FAQs. Here are a few quick tips and answers to common questions for your Weiser Powerbolt 3. Privacy mode, choose vacation mode. To temporarily disable the exterior keypad, press and hold the lock button for 3 seconds from the interior side. This is great for added security when you're away. Low battery indicator. If your lock starts beeping rapidly, or the keypad doesn't respond well, it's likely a low battery. Replace all 4 AA alkaline batteries promptly. Troubleshooting. If your code isn't working, double-check your programming code. Also, ensure the door is properly aligned and the bolt isn't sticking. And there you have it, a complete guide to your Weiser Powerbolt 3 programming instructions. We hope this step-by-step tutorial helps you feel more confident managing your smart lock. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up, share it with someone who might need it, and don't forget to subscribe for more smart home tips and electronic lock guides.